Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Town 1. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the one-bedroom model at the Lenox Timbergrove, and we're doing just a quick walkthrough. This is a really pretty apartment. So we're just doing a quick walkthrough. Love that smart app thermostat. And this is such a pretty kitchen, don't you think? It's just beautiful. It's white. Lenox really does a good job on all of their properties. It's always a really pretty apartment. So I love seeing Lenox. Any Lenox apartment. This has some gorgeous appliances. That's a really pretty higher end GE. It's got a built-in wine rack. Just a gorgeous feel in here. Let's look in the living room area. The living room area is just really wide and fun too. That's got some beautiful windows. It's almost floor to ceiling. It's a very elegant feeling there. Beautiful feel. It's just, everything is very well lighted too. You're gonna love the feel in here. We walk in the bedroom and you're gonna love that too. That's a king bed in there. It's very nice feel. You're gonna see just a gorgeous, more of those gorgeous windows. They're so big. Love that. It's almost like a high rise. You walk through the bedroom and the bathroom in here. There's a closet in there. That's cool. You've got a built-in just kind of linen cabinet in there, and then just a gorgeous mirror and a really pretty walk-in shower. Hey, it's just a stupendous, well-designed one bedroom at the Lenox Timbergrove. And now, hey, it's now your time. Let's set up a tour. Let's do a tour of the Lenox Timbergrove, and then maybe add 2 or 3 other apartments that are in the Heights. And let's set up a tour for you. We can do that tour over your iPhone, or we can do it in person. Either one, it's a free part of our free service. My number is below. I'm Grant. Just say hi and just say, hey, I want to do the tour.